With the goal assessment tool, you can identify what your organization or company wishes to achieve and in what time frame. Having established the basic aims, you can also determine whether the existing strategy, if there is one, is likely to fulfill all the goals and/or it can be used to introduce new goals and stretch goals for the future. Moreover, the goals can be used later in the process to evaluate which alternative strategies may be best. First, you need to open a new file. Click on Start and select Goal Assessment. On the right side of the window, you can find a small arrow. If you click on it, all the tools you can use are visualized in icons. Down on the right side, you have the possibility to zoom in and out. You always start on the left side and work your way through the tools to the right side. In our case, we are starting to define a header in order to clarify the question we are working on. As a first step, you define the goals. You can do this by selecting a new item. You can cluster and prioritize them to come to 3 or 4. When writing a goal, make sure there's always a verb included. The verb gives a direction and makes more clear what you wish to achieve. If you want to be more precise, you can add more information about the goal. For example, you can add indicators to be able to measure the fulfillment of the goals. Remember also, each goal must be SMART, which means they must be separate, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For each goal, you can now define the relevance and how importance may evolve over time. Going now to visualizations, you can choose different layouts and visualize your entries in a different manner. The pie on the left shows our goals in 2020. The one in the middle in 2025, and on the right side is a visualization of both entries. We can see in 2020 the profit is not very important yet, and the focus more on accelerating growth. In 2025, it remains important to grow, but the business should be running and profit is more important. These are the most important features of the goal assessment. There are still some more functions in the tool. If you're interested to learn more, you can find out further information if you click on the Help button. If you want to go more in depth, the Parmenides Foundation is also offering training courses. You can find more information on this on the website.